In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a specific scene in InVideo. By the end, you'll be confident jumping into an existing project, finding the exact scene you want, and making clean, precise edits without getting lost in the interface. First, log into InVideo using your usual credentials. Keep your account details private, and if you work across multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one so the right projects appear. Next, head to your Projects area. This is where all your saved videos live. If you have a long list, use the search bar or scan visually for the thumbnail and title that match what you want to work on. Once you've found it, open your project. The editor will load with your canvas in the center and controls around it. Now look for the timeline. You'll find it along the bottom of the editor. Think of the timeline as the command center for your video structure. It shows each scene in order, and within a scene, it can show layers like text, images, and other elements stacked on top of each other. If your project is long, you can drag the timeline left or right to navigate. Hover your cursor over the button that toggles between scenes and layers. In Scenes View, you'll see each scene as a separate block. In Layers View, you'll see all the individual items inside a scene. When you hover, you'll notice a small drop-down control appear. Open that drop-down and select the scene number you want to edit. Scene numbers are labeled in order, so pick the exact one that needs changes. As soon as you select it, the editor will focus on that scene on the canvas and in the timeline. You can now start editing that scene by adding elements, adding texts, and more. To add elements, use the left side panel to browse graphics, shapes, stickers, overlays, or other visual items, then drag them onto the canvas. To add text, choose a text preset or a basic text box, type your message, and customize it with your preferred font, size, color, and alignment. Keep an eye on spacing and safe margins to make sure everything looks good on different screens. If you need to adjust the order of items, use the Layers view to move elements above or below each other. In the timeline, you can trim when each element appears by dragging its edges, so your text or graphics sync perfectly with the scene. That's it. You've logged in, opened your project, navigated to the timeline, selected the exact scene, and started editing with elements and text. Keep refining until it looks just right.